few months since I've been able to get out. Last time I was up at Sprinkling Tarns in the VFUL Tarn 2, so got a new tent, try it today, so more of that later. But I don't think I've ever been in such a position today as like where to go and wild camp, and in the end I'm heading up to Stickle Tarn, which is probably going to be quite busy, but there's lots of places you can go when you get up there, so I'll try and keep off the beaten track a little bit. I was going to try and do cat's eye cam around the Lavalier range, or even go up to Grasmere and then do sort of Cordell Tarn, but I just want something quick and easy today so I can get up and get back down. I'll leave the car in Stickle car park, so hopefully it should be okay. I'm right near the parking machine and up near the top near. We'll see. So I'll see you up there and go through the spec of the new tent, see how that goes on tonight. So here it is, the Otimos Nomad X-Lite. Reviews on YouTube on this so far. I've had it about a couple of months, so it's the first time I've pitched it. Sort of out on the wild camp anyway, but it is so easy to pitch. Love the way the poles go over, love the way it connects together. The guys are just so easy to tension as well. I've never had a tent with guys as easy to tension. So it's a full season. To be honest, you probably would. But the absolute star thing about this is this sort of inside storage compartment. Whoever came up with that is absolute stroke of genius. Absolutely brilliant. So originally I had the Bisco One Light was my 4-season tent, which if you watch one of my last videos I changed that for the Tyang to the 3FUL tunnel tent, but the tunnel tent was great. But you had to pitch in a certain way in the wind, otherwise it would just keep touching the side walls. Loads of room inside, but I just wanted to get back to something similar to an Nabisco one, but actually wider and taller, and this actually makes the mark. So inside it is definitely wider than the Nabisco one. The porch is probably about the same, the height is definitely bigger. I'll do a review in the morning after I've slept in it for the night, and see how Bailey gets on with it as well. But yeah, mega impressed so far. So today I'm at lovely Sprinkling Tarn. Quite a few people actually. There's some people over the other side, someone right at the top as you come up. I thought there were more actually, to be honest, but you never know, it's still early. Some guys over on the other side there, which is the point where I was going to try and pitch right on the edge. However, I'm sort of made up here. That's sort of my view for the morning. So peaceful. So it took about 45 minutes to get up. I don't think I've ever found a location as quick as this and pitched up. And get a coffee on, have some tea later on, and a nice glass of rioja. And Bailey's really excited to be out again, aren't you, lad? Although he looks tired. So it's Friday the 8th of June and I'm at Sprinkling Tarn. As I mentioned before, I don't always apprehensive about coming here because it's so easy to get to and usually quite busy, but to be honest, there's loads of places to, even when you get up here you can go any direction you want. If you want more solitude, just go up in the hills. I'm out the way of, there's quite a few campers up here now. I'm out the way, to be honest, on top of one of the mounds. It's still quite peaceful. So I've done some drone footage. Now I'm on to soba noodles. Love these things. I was going to get some fire pots, but it's just extortionate. These like pence, and just add your own chicken and peppers to it. Just makes a really good meal. It's quite lightweight, to be honest. So yeah, loving the tent. It is so sturdy, absolutely solid. Port chair is better than the Ibisco one. Inside's definitely bigger. I'll do a bit of a video footage later on tonight. Weather looks okay actually. I do expect some rain tomorrow morning, to be honest. But I'm literally 45 minutes in the car and back. But, yeah, so peaceful. Morning. Well, it's definitely been a windy night, as you can hear. I think it was forecast something like 40 mph winds, 45 tops. But definitely, I'd say we had gusts last night of measured at least 60. And you can just hear it now, it comes in sort of like bursts. But I have to say, the tent just like held up to it fantastically. It's not even moved, to be honest. And you could feel it really pushing. So yeah, absolutely made up. Just having a coffee now. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm gonna head down early this morning to the car. But yeah, it's just a good night's sleep really. Definitely more room in the Optimus than the Falraven. Certainly more space for Bailey anyway. He slept a lot better. So yeah, love the fact that there's a storage thing outside with the rucksack and everything. It's been really good. And even though I was doing some cooking inside last night, and obviously we were in the tent quite a lot, there's zero condensation anywhere. The vents work really well. This one at the back is just like pushing it through. And obviously the wind's coming that way, so it will do. Even though I've got it shut on the outside, it's still that much wind. It's pushing the vent open. And this one on this side's, yeah, it's just good. The good thing about the tent is that at the top of the door and this bit, it's got like a mesh bit just about this height, which is really good. Just about hear the rain start now as well. Brilliant. I need to just have a coffee and get packed up quickly inside, quick as I can. Get a tent down in between gusts of winds and then get down off this mountain. But yeah, made up with the Optimus. Can't fault it really at the moment. It's going to make a brilliant winter tent, definitely. So yeah, catch you later.